is Joy. Oh, our virtue. Oo nga, hindi ba kami naghihiwalay? Parati na lang eh, classroom, kwarto, bahay. So, our virtue is joy and happiness. Happiness. So, kasi, sabi mo muna yung sinasabi. Ano? The only thing I hate about the booze, kasi, is, lagi pinupuri yung debutant. Yes! Ay, happy birthday. Nakakasawa. Ay, hindi ko, napakabait niya, napakabait. Pero sa case ni Roz, ibahin natin. Gusto mo? Sige. Ako na? Ikaw, gusto ko na ako pinakanak. Sige. Ganito yun eh. The funny thing about Roz is when she laughs, it looks like she's crying. Right? Like, it's the silent laugh. Si Rose lang nakakagawa nun. It's amazing. Hindi ko kaya. Tapos, naalala ko dati, favorite thing, at saka, the only thing I always look forward to pag-recess is that we eat ice candy and then we pretend na nagka-counter-strike kami tapos may granada. Kala nila babae si Rose, lalaki yun eh, deep down inside. Pero yun, even though na lagi kang before, way back high school, parang tagal. Sobra. Sabi nila na lagi kang top 2 sa mga ganyan, sa exams, yan. Pero, kailan kasi hindi ako tapos, di ba? Excited ka. Even though ngayon, top 2 ka sa mga exams, ganyan, you always be number 1 in our hearts.
Yes!
Showbiz. Showbiz. So it was, I'm trying my best to think, so Rose, you're 18, ang tanda mo na. Ben, stop. So, happy birthday, wish you all the best. God bless. Sorry, ito last. If you ever have a singing career or dancing career, please hire us as backup dancer, backup singer, backup instrument drummer, guitarist, lahat na, para may trabaho kami in the future. So, happy birthday, God bless, and we love you.
Hi.
Mahiya ako dun
Seriousness tong speech. Wait lang, baba ko ng candle ng init. Ayun, seriousness. So medyo kumuha naman ako. Ayun. This candle represents actually you're already wealthy, not only in terms of material things, like you have a comfortable home, you study in a prestigious school, you get to visit foreign lands, but you're also rich in terms of talents like singing, dancing, drawing, and you have us, your friends, your family. I pray to God that He will continue to shower you with blessings. May He guide you in every step of the way as you journey through life. Treasure your riches in life well, and never forget to thank the King, our Lord Jesus Christ. So there, sing to Hamida, Chinkuya.
Hi, Rose. Mag-sorry muna ako dun sa Belt and the King incident kina. So, after nung first dance, parang, wow, tumingin ako sa cake ko, ang ganda naman ng ribbon design. Parang ako lang yung na-belt ko Na-belt ko yan! Anyway. So, sorry talaga. Okay. So, yung virtue ko for you is fortitude. Tapos, kagabi parang, ano yun? So, sinerch ko sa internet. So, yung fortitude daw, it means, it has something to do with strength of mind. Tapos nung nalaman ko yun, ang unang pumasok sa mind ko ay yung horse natin. Kasi, kailangan ko talaga ng strength of mind, not only to get in but to stay. And, siguro, alam lahat ng mga ka-course mo dito sa room na to kung gano'n talaga siya kahirap. At, since almost a year and a half na tayo sa course natin. Second year na tayo, oh my God. Naka-survive tayo ng first year. Siyempre, it takes tears, mga sleepless nights na hindi ka matutulog. Tapos after ng test, kahit sobrang nag-aral ka na, tapos iiyak ka kasi, oh my God, hindi ka nasagutan. Parang gano'n. So sana, with math ganito in accounting, masakit. Sana we can push through with this. Yay, go T3. Yun, sana gumawa tayong lahat na ME. Yay. Yay, clap. Yay.
Hi, Roz. Alam mo, masyado ka kasing persuasive eh, kaya yan, expert na ako para sa'yo ha. Okay, alam mo, isa ka sa mga favorite persons ko sa school. Kasi kahit nalokohin kita nalokohin, hindi ka naiinis eh. Alam mo yun? Tapos, gusto kong trait sa'yo, super patient mo. Yun yung virtue ko in fairness. Super patient ko sa lahat ng tao, lalo na nung naalala mo Phil, nung summer. Kahit na minsan hindi kami available, habulabulin pa kami, tapos hindi ka talaga naiinis eh. Yun lang yun, hindi ka naiinis. Anyway, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na kahit na minsan wala ako, I know, hindi ako nagpapakita sa CAF. Pero, minsan kahit wala ako, alam mo, tawagan mo lang ako or text mo ako. Pupuntahan kita. Okay? Oo, K-Mobile. Okay, fine. I admit, K-Mobile. Anyway, I wish you all the best in life. Sana, yun nga, sabay-sabay na graduate. ME pa rin, forever. We'll always be here as your friends, to guide you, to support you, even to carry you, okay? Even to carry you. So, yun lang. Tanjobi omedetou gozaimasu. At yun yung tagay ko din. Gambatte kudasai.